Okay, so on this problem, it says find the unknown angle, measure. They're giving us this, notice it's a four-sided shape. It's a quadrilateral, four sides, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a four-sided quadrilateral shape. And they're giving us this angle 79 here, 79, this one's 127, this one's 90, and then they're asking us for this one here, x. How are we going to find that one x? How are we going to do that? Well, what we got to do for four sides, we got to think about the total degrees inside of this shape. And let me give you a trick to figure that out pretty easily. Let me see if I can try to reproduce that thing over here. My best effort. Okay. So if I just take the shape over here, and then what I'm going to do, I want to figure out the total degrees inside. Let's remember any triangle holds 180 degrees inside. Remember that? Any triangle holds 180 degrees inside of it, right? Holds 180 degrees. Let me just say total inside. Okay, so what could I do? You starting to feel it? I want you to feel it. What could I do with this quadrilateral, four-sided object to break it into triangles? Because then I could figure out the degrees, right? Because every triangle has 180. What could I do? Do you see what I could do? See how I could put a line like right here or right here. It doesn't matter, whatever. Put a line somewhere in the middle. I'll just do this one. Or I'll do the other one, whatever, it doesn't matter. And you can break it into two triangles. Either way, right? This triangle holds 180 degrees. This triangle holds 180 degrees. So two triangles are inside. So the total degrees inside equals 2 times 180. It must have 360 degrees total. Do you see how I came up with that? I just looked at the four-sided shape and I said, well, if we just draw in a diagonal, then we've got two triangles. And we already know every triangle has 180. So this has got two triangles, two 180s, 2 times 180. That's got 360 degrees inside. So the total degrees inside of a quadrilateral, since it's really two triangles, is 2 times 180, 360. Okay, great. What can I do then? I think you know, don't you? Then I could just bring this down and go, oh, okay, well, x, right, all the angles, plus 127, plus 90, plus 79 must add up to equal 360. Right? Those, excuse me, those four angles must add up to be 360 degrees because it's a quadrilateral, four sides. Add up for 360. So now we can solve for x. So let's fill in the line here, and I'm just going to add these up and solve them. So this is x plus, and just add these three on your calculator. That's what I'm going to do. I'm getting 296. Subtract 296 from both. What's that? 64. So we got x, 64. That's all they wanted. X is 64. So there we go. We just figured out that the 4 angles inside of a quadrilateral must be 360 because it's made out of 2 triangles. 2 times 180 is 360. So we just add up those to be 360, and then we can solve for x.